तुझ्या विना वैकुंठाचा कारभार चालना, एकल्या विठुरायाला हो संसार पेलना. ये ग रखुमाई ही
जय गजानन माऊली. तो थंबनेल देख के तो समझ ही गए होंगे, यस वी आर गोइंग टू शेगांव टुडे. और मैं सीरियसली बहुत ज़्यादा एक्साइटेड हूँ क्योंकि ये मेरी फ़र्स्ट ट्रिप है शेगांव की. ऑनेस्टली शेगांव के बारे में मैंने बहुत कुछ सुना है. लोग बोलते हैं कि ये सिर्फ़ एक जगह नहीं, इट्स अ जन्नत. यहाँ सिर्फ दर्शन नहीं मिलते तो सुकून भी मिलता है. एंड गजानन महाराज की नगरी है भाई, वाइब्स ही अलग है यहाँ की. तो चलो आप भी मेरे साथ इस जर्नी का हिस्सा बनिए. और अगर आप कभी शेगांव नहीं गए हो तो इस वीडियो के थ्रू जस्ट थिंक दैट एज इफ़ यू आर ओनली गोइंग टू शेगांव. सो हम निकले थे घर से 8 बजे एंड वी रीच देयर अराउंड 4 PM. इट वॉज़ अ टायरिंग ट्रिप बट वहाँ जाके आई जस्ट फील सो काम एंड नाइस. तो हम रुके थे वहाँ के आनंद विहार में. एंड ट्रस्ट मी गाइस, इट इज़ सच अ ब्यूटीफुल प्लेस. एवरीवेयर यू लुक सिर्फ ग्रीनरी ही है. इतना क्लीन और पीसफुल एनवायरनमेंट है, जैसे लिटरली कोई हिल स्टेशन में आ गए हो. पीपल हियर आर सो पोलाइट एंड हेल्पफुल. एंड वन मोर थिंग आई गॉट टू नो अबाउट हियर इज़ दैट यहाँ के जो लोग हैं एक दूसरे को बुलाने के लिए दे यूज़ द वर्ड माउली, विच वॉज अगेन समथिंग फैसिनेटिंग फॉर मी. तो सबसे पहले हमने रूम बुक किया एंड देन वी चेकड इन आवर रूम एंड आई जस्ट गॉट अ शावर बिकॉज आई वॉज सो फ्रस्ट्रेटेड. उसके बाद आई हैड ब्लैक टी अलॉन्ग विद सम बिस्किट्स. वैसे तो ट्रिप शेगांव का था बट इन आनंद विहार आई फील सो डिफरेंट, सो ब्यूटिफुल. देयर वाज लॉट ऑफ पीसफुलनेस, कामनेस. एंड आई वुड सजेस्ट यू कि अगर कभी भी आप शेगांव आ रहे हैं तो इफ़ यू वांट to stay there then please stay in Anand Vihar only because it's so peaceful and greenery. तो आप देखिए हर जगह सिर्फ आपको पेड़ पौधे ही दिखेंगे एंड पीपल हियर आर ऑलवेज क्लीनिंग एवरीथिंग, एवरी रोड, एवरी पाथ. दे हैव टेकन केयर ऑफ द premises so nicely. Meanwhile, I saw this little girl here and I started talking to her. She was so innocent and she was replying to me. Actually, her dad was calling her, but she wasn't ready to go. बच्चों का ऐसा ही होता है. And but I was loving how she was talking with me. And then I clicked her pictures and she was seeing the pictures which I clicked. This was truly amazing. Then in the evening at around 5:30, this bus came and took us to Gajanan Maharaj Mandir. And I didn't had any clue of this. This was totally something new for me. But yeah, I enjoyed every moment. And you can see the mandir. Wow! This temple was huge. And since हम off season में आए हैं तो there wasn't a lot of crowd. Otherwise बहुत ज़्यादा crowd रहता है. And then we headed inside. And one thing you would have noticed here also that they have maintained a lot of cleanliness. Generally it is hard to find any place this clean. As you can see, the streets are full of shops and my dad got me and my mom gajra. Now talking about the Gajanan Maharaj Mandir, I realized that how well organized everything is. People here have taken care of every small arrangement. Nothing feels messy or confusing. It's all smooth and peaceful. So before entering the mandir, there's a designated place to remove your footwear. And the best part, it's not crowded or chaotic at all. Everything is so clean and systematic. You actually feel like you are entering a sacred divine space. And guys, shooting wasn't allowed, so that's why I didn't took any clips from there. Then again we came back from the mandir and took few of the things which we liked. And I have a habit that wherever I go, I take something or the other for just a memory. And there's an interesting thing here happened, which was कि यहाँ पर की चेन्स थी अलग अलग नाम की, बहुत सारे नेम थे. एंड दैट भैया लिटरली फाउंड आउट द की चेन ऑफ माई नेम, एंड दिस वॉज लुकिंग सो ब्यूटिफुल एंड क्यूट. फिर वहाँ से आकर हमने किया डिनर. Dinner was fantastic. It was simple meal, but it was truly amazing. It was a tiring day, but still I enjoyed. And this was it for the day. We all slept after that, and the next day we woke up at around 5:30. And उठकर ही मुझे शूट करना था, so I got ready. I wore a beautiful white one piece which I bought from Zudio. तो सबसे पहले हमने ली कॉफ़ी, and the coffee was really amazing. I loved it. And while having coffee, my mom addressed a baby. He was looking at us, and यही conversation हो रहा था. And then, as usual, I did some shoot. We spent some time. There was calm music going on in the background. We had a lot of pictures clicked and videos made, and then finally we sat here waiting for our driver. After that we headed for having breakfast. So there was a list of few items which we had to select, and I ordered idli sambar, and my mom and dad and driver uncle, they had poha. And again, it was a delicious start of the day. I enjoyed my breakfast with a little chit chat with my parents. एंड देन वी वेंट अराउंड. फिर हम निकल पड़े कुछ प्लेसेस विज़िट करने. द फर्स्ट वॉज महालक्ष्मी मंदिर. I enjoyed every bit of vlogging as well, because I was capturing all those memories which I saw and I could see in future as well. Although हम वहाँ पर जा सकते हैं, but this was the first time, and I wanted to record every bit of it. So we finally reached the temple, and we were lucky because the moment we stepped in, Aarti had already started. The sound of bells, the fragrance of agarbatti, and that divine music, सब कुछ इतना soothing था. It felt like the time has paused for a while, and we were completely lost in that spiritual energy. And you could feel that peace through this video. This mandir was also so beautiful. Every corner had its own charm. I was completely lost in the puja. After that we took prasad and then headed inside to explore the temple. While praying, I honestly just wished for one thing, that humans should have humanity, so this world could become a more peaceful place to live in. Because the world is in our hands, and it is up to us to take the responsibility to make it a better place, not just for humans but also for animals, ताकि सब peacefully और happily ज़िंदगी जी सके. It really made me realize that small efforts from each of us can create a big change. So coming to the point, after visiting the temple, we saw a school for differently abled children. We got to see some really beautiful articles made by them. Unki skills were truly amazing. It's really said that if God takes something away from us, He gives a special skill or talent that no one else can have. While watching their work, I truly felt so inspired. See how beautifully they have made the articles and paintings. Each piece looks so real, full of details and charm. You can feel the love and effort they have put in into every creation. सच में बहुत inspiring है. It reminded me that true talent doesn't need perfection. It comes straight from the heart. And talent doesn't come always from ease or comfort. Sometimes it comes from struggle, patience, and pure dedication. And you know what's really special? Even with their limitations, they have created things that can inspire anyone. And guys, remember that every person has a unique talent within them. So never underestimate any person. You never know what they are capable of. Every person has their own strength, hidden talents and a unique way to shine. जो हम देख नहीं पाते वो भी किसी के लिए इंस्पिरेशन बन सकता है. Today, seeing those children's work, it really hit me. Everyone has something special. Every effort, no matter how small, matters. After that, there was a small shop, so we headed there to see the items, and then we saw this beautiful tulsi made up of pearls. And there were few other items as well. They were so delicate and artistic. So we decided to purchase them as a memory of शेगांव, ताकि ये याद हमेशा हमारे साथ रहे. And there was this झूला as well, which was looking so cute. फिर उसके बाद we went to आनंद सागर, but honestly it is so huge कि हम चलते चलते थक गए. We were also told that some parts like the boating area were closed because of ongoing work. I feel in the upcoming years it is going to be a fun place full of activities. Even there's a railway track, which means in few years they will start new rides and experiences. So all in all, this place is totally worth visiting और definitely एक memorable experience है. So if you ever come to शेगांव, then don't forget to visit this place. But जो भी temples we visited, we saw them properly and really enjoyed the calmness there. It felt like all the stress just vanished for a while and हम बस present moment में थे. We planned the trip for 2 days, but honestly I was feeling like और रुको यहाँ. It felt so peaceful and refreshing. I didn't want to leave at all. Sometimes a place just touches our heart, and शेगांव definitely did that for me. इतना सुकून सिटीज़ में नहीं है. Honestly, मन ही नहीं कर रहा था कि यहाँ से जाए. But I told my dad that next time let's plan for a 5 to 6 days trip. It's the kind of place that makes you want to stay longer and just soak in the peace. So finally we checked out of our room, carrying a lot of beautiful memories from शेगांव. Every moment, from the peaceful temples to Anand Sagar, from the talented children's creation to the calm vibes of the city, सब कुछ याद रहेगा हमेशा. If you enjoyed this journey with me, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more such soulful adventures. Until next time, keep exploring, stay peaceful and rise with Ruchi.